Hi there, I'm David Lane from Good Choice IT. I want to talk to you guys today about how technical people can sell to management. Now, one of the problems with technical, geeky people like me is we've got all these acronyms, we've got these ideas in my head, well, managers do as well, but they're, they're different words and they don't speak the same language. So when you're explaining something to a manager, if you want to get them to buy into whatever it is you want to get, you've got to justify it. You've got to give them the business case. Now they say to you, we want the business case. But if you don't know what that means, then you're never going to deliver it. So what they're asking for is they're saying, if I spend X on this thing, what money will the business make back on it? Often the problem is a lot of these things are quite intangible. So if you replace someone's PC, there's no actual immediate benefit to the business because you're not making them any more money. In fact, it's costing money because you've bought a new PC. But business owners will know that there's a cost of employing people. And what you can do is you can say to them, look, if we save people 5 minutes a day or 10 minutes a day or whatever it is, this will save the business X. If you are spending this amount of money on support, then you've got the person who's fixing the computer, you're paying to fix it, even if you run an all-inclusive deal like we generally offer. And then you've got the person who can't work, their time. So that's two people's time you're wasting. This is often a really strong argument. People's time is really, really expensive. Even someone on minimum wage, it's really expensive. You just crunch the numbers. Take whatever it is, £7 an hour now, and work out how much it costs for 5 minutes a day. You'll be surprised, or 10 minutes a day of wasted time, and you can soon justify these things. It's not difficult. When it comes to something more technical that maybe people don't understand, like say you want to sell an ERP or a CRM solution, or you want to move people to a cloud solution, then you're going to have to do a bit more explaining of where the business risks lie. Now, business owners are very interested in risk and the pain points. So if you say to them, look, if this doesn't work, it's going to cost the business X. If we do this, we'll probably save Y. That's what people want to hear. They don't care about the technology. They don't want to know. They're not interested in CRM, ERP, ABC. They don't want to know. What they want to know is what is the cost to the business and where is it going to make us money. And the best thing to sell to any business leader is something where they make immediate savings. So what we do when we go in to look at clients, we look at, right, what can we do quickly that's going to immediately have a financial return? There's always something. Now, some projects that you want to do, like I don't know, tidying up the comms room or replacing the servers, they're going to take a lot more time because there's kind of a bigger fiscal cost that you're going to have to spend money on. And you're going to have to try and educate business leaders on the life cycle of computer equipment because they're looking to save money. So if you don't convince them that they need to spend the money, then they won't, or they'll spend it in the wrong area. And this often happens is that they say, no, you can't buy a new server, but look at my shiny, shiny new car. And you're going, but if this server doesn't work, the business is going to fail. I don't care about your shiny new car. That's not helping the business. And they're going, but it does. It really impresses customers. It's like, but our customers can be much more impressed if your email works. It's a difficult argument, and you've got to put different hats on to talk to different people. Because the technical people, they want to know the ins and outs, they want to know the nuts and bolts. The management people, what they want to know is will it make us more money? Okay, if not, will it save us money? And just focus your entire argument about those. In fact, you can give people as little knowledge of the technology as you like because they won't really be that interested. Now, there's another issue that you've got, which is getting people's buy-in. So when say you just buy a CRM solution, as a good example, and nobody uses it, that's not going to add any value to the business. So you've got to get core people to buy into using it. So you've got to persuade them there's a business value to doing it. If you watch my dual screens video, there's the arguments there. So what you can do is, the best way of doing this is to start with something quite simple, a simple system that's quite simple, and then say, when people say, what's John Smith's phone number? It's like, it's in the CRM. So if you spend some time getting the system set up so they're already useful for people, then they'll start to use the tools. You're never going to convince everyone. Like, there's still people. My wife still uses a paper diary. Really irritating. I don't know why she does it. Wastes a lot of my time because she goes, I put this in your diary. It's like, no, you put it in your diary. Anyway, I hope that's been of some use. So in summary, Don't sell management people on the technology. Get buy-in and talk about the savings to the business, either in increased profit or savings of money. That's what people generally want to hear about. They don't want to hear about how the shiny technology is amazing. I hope that's been of some use. Let me know in the comments, and if I can be of any help, please feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching. Oh.